Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to clean Nissan Altima headlights, updated. Begin by disconnecting the battery and masking paint with tape, then wash lenses thoroughly with soap and water to remove dirt and oils. Use 800, 1500, and 2000 grit sandpaper wet to level oxidation, keeping the surface wet and smooth. Finish by applying polish, removing haze, and sealing with UV protectant to restore clarity and protect your headlights. Begin sanding with 800 grit to remove yellowed layers, holding the paper flat and keeping everything wet to avoid deep scratches. Move to 1500 grit, then 2000 grit, changing direction between grits for uniform abrasion. Rinse often and wipe with a microfiber cloth to check progress, taking care not to sand paint or trim. Once the surface is even and smooth, prepare for polishing and UV sealing to bring back clear light output. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during long detailing sessions with a reliable water bottle like the Owala bottle I love, which keeps water cold and fits cup holders nicely. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more content like this. I put the link and other deals in the description so you can check them out easily. Now let's get back to the video. Apply a plastic polish using a foam or microfiber pad, working in small sections and using moderate pressure until haze lifts and clarity is restored. Wipe residue with a clean microfiber cloth and inspect from multiple angles to ensure even gloss. Finish by applying a thin, even layer of UV sealant to lock in results and prevent premature yellowing or cracking. Let the sealant cure as directed before exposing the car to rain or car washes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.